New year, new me, but it's the same world though. And speaking of which, wanna get controversial? No! Too bad. Hey little artists, welcome to the new year, and today we're going to be talking about art, more specifically a question that I was asked more than you would think. And that question is, can animals make art? And as always, I'm going to tell you the answer right here and now, so you don't even have to watch the rest of this video. Why?
Because nobody tells me what to do.
Not even you. So here's the answer. Can animals make art? Nope. All right, everybody. We'll see you later. Do the subscribe, touch a button. I don't know. YouTube end credit. Oh, you're still here? I guess I'll explain my answer. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. So first we gotta define what art is, which I have already done in a previous video. Remember, I did a dance. Manifestation. Yeah, you all remember that. So if you haven't already, go ahead and pause this video and watch my previous video. There'll be a link below so you can get caught up and be brought up to speed on what art is. I'll wait.
Do it.
Did you do it? Fools! I have to explain it here anyways. Don't listen to me. Subscribe. And honestly, the other video would help you more, but I'm gonna just go really quick over the bare bones of what I mentioned in my previous video. And yes, it's gonna be a long, convoluted explanation that has very little to do with my overall point. But it's gonna be fun. All right, so if there was a stick and it fell into the ocean, and then it got tossed around and then shot onto the shore looking like this. Oh, yeah! Is this art? No. Now, if someone comes along, picks up that stick and puts it on the wall as art, is it art now? Yes. Remember this? Remember the art? Remember when remember this? Remember when I slapped it on the wall? Here is a brand new eraser. Is this art? No. But wait right there and watch the magic. Now it's art. Behold, art. Look at the art, the arts. So like I mentioned in my previous video, to be art, you need to have idea, intentionality, and manifestation. Oh no, I forgot to do the dance. No! In my example, the ocean has no ideas or intentionality, except for trying to murder everything that comes into contact with it. Seriously, it's a giant murder puddle. Stay away from it. Stay away from it. So the ocean can't make art because it has no idea or intentionality. However, the human being that came by and picked up that stick with the idea of hanging it up on the wall and then intentionally did that, made it into art, even though they didn't really change anything. Again, we can reference the eraser on the wall. Remember that? I slapped that baby right on there. That's art. It's art. But that's the ocean. I thought we were talking about animals. What about the elephant or the dog I saw on my phone doing the art thing that made me happy? What about that? I'm sure you could Google it right now and find a bunch of animals doing paintings. In fact, I'll show you right now. However, unless you can talk to animals, we have no idea what their intent or ideas are. Sure, they're manifesting a painting, but manifestation alone does not make art, as I talked about in my previous video. And having a little more understanding of animals and animal behavior, in all these instances, it looks more like a human being stepped in and prompted the animal to do it, and the animal just did it for reward, whether that was positive praise from the person.
Yes. Excellent. Excellent. Excellent.
Or a monetary or substance, like a treat, basically. So it's less of the elephant coming in and being like, I want to do a painting. Let me get my brushes and paint. And more of a human being came in, put the brush in the elephant's trunk and was like, if you do this, you will get food. And the elephant was like, yeah, I'll do that. That's not art. That's just animal behavior and you doing a thing. Like you could do anything else. You could replace that brush and put a soccer ball in its trunk and get it to, hit it into the net. That doesn't make it an athlete. Or maybe it does. I don't know. But I know it doesn't make art. At the end of the day, it's just one of those things where there's no way to prove it and there's no way to disprove it. Ultimately, making this conversation and this video absolutely pointless. And like all pointless things, we need to have a hard opinion on it. So I'm gonna go with no. Animals cannot make art.
Fight me.
So there you go. Let me know where you stand on this pointless controversy that I just made up. Make sure you have a hard opinion and you don't budge no matter what. Anyways, I hope you're having a good year and staying safe out there. We got a lot more videos to come in the future. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below, or he will find you. Have a good year, everybody, and I will see you someplace else.